Hi, welcome back to my YouTube automotive channel. In this video I have 2013 Ford Expedition and I'm gonna show you how to fold down the second row of seats and the third row in case you need more cargo space. First we're gonna start with the second row. On this vehicle the second row is manual folding. So the first step we need to do is to fold down the headrest by pulling this little string down. And next step is just to lift up this plastic lever. So this is the first seat in the middle row. Now the next we're gonna do passenger side. It's gonna be the same thing. Pull this string for the headrest and then this plastic piece up. Now we have these two down. Now for the middle seat you'll have to pull up this plastic piece and that will fold the middle seat down. Next step is to fold down the third row. On this vehicle third row is automatic, so you can just press the fold button and that's gonna fold automatically. It's one side and then the other side. So this is how you make more space if you need more cargo space. I hope this video was helpful to you and thanks for watching.